Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You sign into your Chromebook and then open Chrome right away. This is essential because Meet uses your Google account. Once signed in, make sure your OS is updated and that camera and mic permissions are enabled in Settings because denied permissions block meetings. Next, open the launcher, type Meet, and load Meet. Google.com. You'll land on the Meet home screen. Choose New Meeting or Join with a code to start the actual connection. You now pick whether to start or join. Click New Meeting to create instantly or enter a meeting code to join. Once you do, use the preview area to select camera and microphone input. Select the Chromebook's built-in or USB device as needed. Make sure to toggle captions if helpful. When you need to show content, click Present Now and choose a window, tab, or full screen. Choose a Chrome tab for audio sharing. Also check participant permissions in the People panel. You wrap up by using the controls. Click the three-dot menu to record or change layout and use the red phone icon to leave when finished. Once done, stop presenting and confirm files are saved where you intended. If audio or video fails, first reload Chrome and rejoin. Make sure Chrome has camera and microphone permissions in Settings and restart the Chromebook if necessary. That often resolves driver and hardware lock issues quickly. If the problem persists, try a different USB.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.